Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths with Himangi. We are dealing with the topic integers. Grade 6, chapter number 6 is integers. Grade 7, chapter number 1 is integers. Integers topic is very important topic. So this is useful in higher classes. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next videos. Today I am going to deal with the multiplication of integers. My dear students, grade 7 students, for the basic concepts of integers, watch my videos from the grade 6. So let us start with today's subtopic, rules to find product of integers. You know how to add and subtract the integers. Grade 7 we learn multiplication of integers, how to multiply given two integers. So here also we are going to use one rule. So let us see what is the first step. If the question is given multiply these two integers, then the first step is find the product of number regardless of sign. It means you just forgot this sign, so the number is 4 and 3, so multiplication of 4 and 3 is 12. This is the first step. Now second step, count the number of negative signs. How many negative signs are there? 1 and 2. 2 is an even number. We are going to use this even and odd concept. That's what I have written here, even. What is the next step? If the number of negative signs are even, answer will be positive. Since the number is even, your answer will be positive. It means the product will be plus 12. Let us take another example, minus 5 multiplied by plus 6. So the first step, multiply the numbers only. So 5 6 are 30. Then we count total number of negative sign. Here total number of negative sign is only 1 and 1 is an odd number. Let us see if the case is for odd number, the answer will be negative. Since number of negative sign is odd, your answer will be negative 30. Addition and subtraction, we were reciting one poem. If the signs are same, add the number, signs are different, subtract the number, greater number sign will come in the answer. But for multiplication of integers, we count the total number of negative sign. If it is even, your answer will be positive. If it is odd, your answer will be negative. And we multiply the numbers as we were doing in the earlier classes. So let us take few examples. So the first step, find the product of numbers regardless of sign. Count the number of negative sign. If the number of negative signs are even, answer will be positive. If the number of negative signs are odd number, answer will be negative. So let us do the first one. Total number of negative signs are 2. 2 is an even number. It means your answer will be positive. Now just multiply the number 6 3s are 18. Your answer will be positive 18. Multiply minus 6 multiply by 3. So total number of negative sign is 1. 1 is an odd number. Odd number means answer will be negative. Multiply 6 3s are 18. Answer will be minus 18. Again total number of negative sign is 1. 1 is an odd number. Multiply the number 6 3s are 18 with minus sign minus 18. Total number of negative sign, there is no negative sign, so you can make dash. So just multiply 6 3s are 18. So the answer will be plus 18. Take another example. Total number of negative signs are 2. 2 is an even number, so the answer will be positive. Now multiply 8 3s are 24. Answer will be plus 24. Total number of negative sign is 1. 1 is an odd number. Odd number means the sign will be negative. 12, 13 2s are 26 minus 26. Total number of negative sign is 1. 1 is an odd number. It means the answer will be negative. 7 8s are 56. Answer will be minus 56. Total number of negative signs. No negative sign. So put a dash. 12 3s are 36. Answer will be positive 36. Now we will multiply the integers. If more than two integers are there, then how to do? The steps are same. The first one, find the product of number regardless of sign. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Again we count total number of negative sign. Here your total number of negative signs are 2. 2 is an even number. It means answer will be positive. Take one more example. Again just multiply the number 5 2s are 10. 10 multiplied by 1 is 10 and then multiplied by 3 will give you 30. Total number of negative signs are 3. 3 is an odd number. If negative numbers are odd, then the answer will be negative. So answer will be minus 30. Let us solve few more example. Before starting the example, you just keep this in your mind. 25 4s are 100, 125 8s are 1000, 2 5s are 10, 4 5s are 20, 8 5s are 40. This we can use for suitable multiplication, suitable rearrangement that already we have done in chapter number 2, whole numbers. Multiplication by suitable rearrangement. This makes our work easier. Now let us see how can we use this and all these four rules. So let us start with the first example. Four integers are there. So here you can find out which numbers are easier for you to multiply. You can make 8 5s are 40. So 4 in your mind and 4 3s are 12. So the answer will be 120. Or you can say that 5 3s are 15, 15 8s are. So whatever method is easier for you, you can use, but using this suitable rearrangement is more easier way. So let us start. How many total number of negative signs are there? 4. 4 is an even number. It means your answer will be positive. So answer is 120. Again here total number of negative signs are 3. 3 is an odd number, so your answer will be negative. Now 5 2s are 10. You can keep it in your mind. 10 into 6 will give you 60. That is suitable rearrangement. You can do 6 5s are 30. 30 2s are 60 that way also. But 5 2s are 10 is the easiest way, and 10 multiplied by any number we will get 60. Now total number of negative signs are 4. 4 is an even number, so your answer will be positive. Again 5 2s are 10, easiest way, you can keep it in your mind, and 4 3s are 12. 12 into 10 will be 120, so the answer is positive 120. Total number of negative signs are 3. 3 is an odd number. Answer will be negative. Now, many numbers are there. If you will go 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are, you will take time for multiplication. So here we will use suitable rearrangement. So we know that 5 2s are 10. Keep this number in your mind. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 into 10 will give you 180 with the minus sign. So the answer will be minus 180. Let us take few more examples. Now here total number of negative signs are 4. 4 is an even number. It means your answer will be positive. Now here take 8 5s are 40 in your mind, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, and with 10480. Suitable rearrangement. Now again total number of negative signs are 3. 3 is an odd number, it means your answer will be negative. Now here we will use 25 4s are 100. 100 into 6 will give you 600. Otherwise 4 6 are 24, 24 multiplied by 25, it will take time. So this way suitable rearrangement is very easiest method to find the product. Now total number of negative signs are 4. 4 is an even number, it means your answer will be positive. Again we can multiply 125, 8 are 1000, 1000 multiplied by 5 will be 5000. Total number of negative signs are 3. 3 is an odd number, it means your answer will be negative. Now 5 2s are 10, you can keep it in your mind. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 multiplied by 10 will be 120. Decimals, grade 6, chapter number 8 is decimals, grade 7, chapter number 2 is decimals. Total 6 plus 3, 9 videos are ready with the different subtopics. Part 1 link is given in the description and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Decimal is a very important chapter for the higher classes. So please go through with this video for the proper concept of decimals. Now very important concept we are going to deal here. Basically this question comes for fill in the blanks and true and false. So the sign of product of 7 negative integers, 7 negative integers or number of negative signs are odd. Odd means the answer will be negative. So your fill up the blanks answer will be negative. The sign of product of 10 negative integers, so number of negative signs are 10. 10 is an even number. Even number, it means the answer will be positive. We observe only for the negative numbers. We do not observe for the positive signs. The sign of 41 negative integers. So 41 is an odd number. Odd means negative. Your answer will be negative. Here you can see that find the product. So multiply this and tell me the answer. I'll give you just 1 minute time to find the product. Most of the time students they miss, they waste their time in multiplying this. Why? The first thing, find out is there any zero in multiplication. If many numbers are there, so instead of multiplying, first thing find out is there any zero. If any zero is there, we know zero multiplied by any number is always zero. So my dear students, don't waste your time in multiplying. The first thing, find out is there any zero in multiplication. This will make your work easier and you can save your time. Now the next one is true and false. The product of 5 negative integer is a negative integer. So 5 is an odd number. Odd number, it means the answer will be negative. So integer is a negative integer. Statement is true. The product of 3 negative integer. 3 is an odd number. Odd number, it means negative. But one more thing is there, 0. So 0 is neither negative nor positive. We know that multiplication by 0, the answer is 0, and we cannot write minus 0 and plus 0. This is wrong. So your answer will be 0. It will not be negative. It will not be positive. And here it is given negative integer. It means the statement is false. The product of a negative integer and a positive integer may be 0. The product of a negative and positive integer may be negative, may be positive. It will be 0 when we multiply by a 0, and 0 is neither negative nor positive. It means again the statement is false. So what is the important point after the discussion of these questions? Look at the total number of integers. Always we look at the total number of negative integers. And the second point is 0 in product. Whenever we need to find the product, is there a 0? Is there a 0? That is the very important concept. Grade 6, knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics, whole numbers, 8 subtopics, playing with number, 11 subtopics, basic geometrical ideas, 4 subtopics, understanding elementary shapes, 5 subtopics, fraction, 10 subtopics, decimal, 9 subtopics. So complete chapter with subtopics are ready to watch. Part 1 link is given in the description and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Product of integers on number line, again this is very important concept. So this is given minus 2 multiplied by 3. So first thing we will draw number line, and multiplication always starts from 0, so your first arrow will be on 0. Now look at the number here, negative sign is there, it means we will move towards the left hand side. What is the meaning of 2 multiplied by 3? 2 times group of 3. So 2 times 1, 2, 3. So this is the one group. Once again we will make one more group. So 2 times, this is 1 time, this is 2 times, and your answer is minus 6. So the answer is minus 6. Take one more example, minus 2 multiplied by minus 4. So make one number line. Multiplication always start with 0. Look at the number, this is negative sign. It means we need to move towards left hand side. But one more negative sign is there. It means we will change the direction and we will move now towards right hand side. So what is the meaning of 2 multiplied by 4? 2 times group of 4. So 4, this is one time and one more time, and your arrow will come on 8. What does it mean? The product of minus 2 and minus 4 is plus 8. Thank you for watching my today's video. This is my upcoming video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also to watch my next video.